The ant and the elephant were good friends. Ant was very hardworking, but elephant was very lazy. Ant started collecting food for monsoon season. But elephant was just sleeping all the time and not doing anything. Monsoon started. It was raining heavily. Anne was safe at home and had enough food for the monsoon. Elephant was not having shelter and food. Due to heavy rain, there was no food anywhere. Elephant was hungry. Elephant went to Anne's house. He said, "I'm so hungry, my dear ant. I can't survive without food. Without food, I'll die soon." Ant felt sad and gave food to elephant. Ant said, "This is all because of your laziness. Avoid laziness and you will win in your life." Moral of the story is, laziness is a secret ingredient that goes into failure.